So we're starting to pick from our friendly cactus here, and we want to be thankful and hasten the rains. And I was out here yesterday, but I have to say me and Sarah are the rain makers, because the first thing you want to do is, after you've picked your fruit, is cut her open. You want to scoop out the innards with your thumb. And this one isn't quite ripe, but it's okay. You see all the seeds here. The seeds are full of protein and calcium, and this could keep you alive. And then you want to leave the husk face up, because the Indians believe this is what hastened the rain. And if you see the clouds out there, you can see that me and Sarah are rainmakers. So when we go home, we'll be processing all this. It's a big job. You'll see more of that on the video, but this is our way. This is our way of thanking the cactus. So this is what I'm talking about. This right here is what you want. I got goosebumps. Food of the desert. Drop the pulp in there. I'm straining it so you see the beautiful red liquid, which we can turn into wine, jelly, several recipes. And then once this is all cleared out, the seed will actually dehydrate, and then make sure the seeds are nice and dry, usually about a week. It depends on the temperature outside. And then store the seeds for, grinding them to make bread, making, mixing them with other things for cereal. Several recipes. So here we have the flowers from the saguaro. These are frozen because I saved them so you could see. We made a flower essence. So if you're familiar with Bach flower essences, like Rescue Remedy, it's the same principle. It's using the energetics of the plant or flower itself. So, there's a process. I won't go into the process, but anyway, those are the flowers. After you gather the essence, I bottle and preserve it with some brandy. This is called the mother. And then I dilute it with more spring water and bottle it. So this would be your saguaro flower essence. You would take 4 drops of this 4 times a day. They call this the guardian. It's good for endurance, perseverance, creating sacred space, protection. So if you think about a saguaro and what you think a saguaro is, you can, kind of when I say those verbs, you can visualize that on an energetic level, how that could help you, assisting on that level for your own essence. And that's one more thing we do with the saguaros. And at the workshop, you'll be getting a bottle of the saguaro flower essence, and I'll go into a little bit more of the history and how to make it.